Welcome to It's 70 Degrees Somewhere YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to fillet kokanee salmon. We caught this salmon out at Flaming Gorge Reservoir and we went out with a guide, Monty Thurgood. We'll give you that information below, how to get in touch with Monty. We wanted to make sure that we actually caught something instead of just looking at other people catching. Here are some scenes of just how beautiful Flaming Gorge Reservoir is. We went out for about 4 hours with Monty, and we went to various sites, and we stayed until we caught our limit of 6. Each fish was about enough for one meal, so 2 good-sized fillets for each. This is the fish cleaning station. It's right when you get out of the reservoir. There's a shot of Monty, and this, of course, is our beautiful fresh salmon that we just caught. Now we're going to show you this several times. They use a board with a clip on the end that holds the fish's head. You cut straight down until you hit the bone. Then you slide your fillet knife along the fish all the way to the end of the tail. You flip it over, catch the head with a clip, do the exact same thing right below the gills. You cut down, you turn the knife very flat, run it along the top of all of those bones, very little waste. Now, when you're doing this, if you don't have a board with a clip, you can simply just hold its head, but the clip actually, you can buy these or you could probably make them just as easily. Now, you go ahead and you do all of your fish at one time because that's step 1. Clean them up a little bit and get some of the blood and guts off of them. Then we're going to come back and we're going to cut out the rest of the bones that are in the salmon. Now, when we do this, we're going to leave the skin on. Now, take little cuts all along until you get a really good feel for where the bones are. Just little cuts. And all of the bones are just one end of the salmon. You just cut down, feeling along right below the bones, cut that off, cut off whatever little extra fat there might be, and cut off the fins so that when you're done, you are ready to go ahead and cook them up. Okay, rinse them off one good time, put them in your bag, and they are ready to go. We're going to show you this cutting again, okay? Once you've done 1 or 2, it's really easy. You just feel along the edge of these bones for that ridge of bones, and it comes off very easily. And the closer you get to the bones, the less waste you have. And that's your goal, is to not to waste a whole bunch of your salmon. Okay? Rinsing it off, putting it in the bag, and you are ready to cook. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Until later, bye.